Hey everyone, are you struggling with bloating or stubborn belly fat? What if I told you there's a simple, natural drink that can help cleanse your body and support weight loss? Best part, you can make it right at home with ingredients already in your kitchen. Today, I'm sharing my favorite detox drink recipe that's packed with powerful fat-burning and digestion-boosting benefits. So, stick around because you don't want to miss this. Benefits of detox drinks. Before we dive into the recipe, let's quickly talk about why detox drinks are amazing for weight loss. They help flush out toxins and improve digestion. Boost metabolism, helping your body burn fat faster, reduce bloating, and support gut health. Keep you hydrated and energized throughout the day. And the best part, no expensive supplements, no chemicals, just natural ingredients. Alright, now let's make this powerful detox drink. You only need a few simple ingredients. 1 cup warm water boosts digestion. 1 tablespoon lemon juice rich in vitamin C and fat-burning properties. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, great for metabolism and digestion. 1/2 teaspoon honey adds natural sweetness and soothes digestion. A pinch of cayenne pepper boosts fat burn. Step 1. Heat 1 cup of water until it's warm but not boiling. Step 2. Add the lemon juice, grated ginger, and honey. Stir well. Step 3. If you like a little extra kick, add a pinch of cayenne pepper for even better fat-burning results. That's it. Your natural detox drink is ready to enjoy easy, right? Now, when should you drink this for the best results? Morning. Have it on an empty stomach to kickstart digestion. Before meals. Helps reduce appetite and prevent overeating. Before bed. Supports overnight detox and digestion. Drink this consistently for the best effects. But remember, this is not a magic potion. Pair it with a healthy diet and some movement, and you'll start seeing amazing results. And there you have it. A simple, natural detox drink to help support your weight loss journey. Now, tell me in the comments, have you tried a detox drink before? What's your favorite recipe? Let's chat below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home remedies and natural health tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay glowing.